Today I'm going to teach you how to print or download or convert Google Forms as a PDF file. This is incredibly useful when you need to share your form offline. Keep a physical copy for records or simply archive your form design for future reference. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to forms.google.com. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in using your Google credentials. Make sure you're logged into the account where your forms are stored, as this will give you access to all your created forms and their respective settings. After logging in, you'll land on your Google Forms dashboard. Here you'll see a section labeled Recent Forms, which displays all the forms you've been working on lately. Browse through this section and click on the specific form you want to print, download, or convert to PDF. This will open up the form in editing mode, where you can view all your questions and settings. Now look toward the upper right corner of your screen. You'll notice a 3 dotted lines icon, which is positioned right beside the Publish button. This icon represents the More Options menu and contains several useful features. Go ahead and click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Print. This action opens up your browser's print dialog, which is the gateway to converting your form into a PDF. Once the print dialog appears, you'll need to focus on the destination section. This is where you choose where your document will go. Click on the drop-down menu under Destination. You'll see various options here, but what you're looking for is Save as PDF. Select this option as it tells your browser to convert the form into a PDF file rather than sending it to a physical printer. After you've selected Save as PDF, click the Save button to proceed. A File Explorer window will now pop up on your screen. This is where you decide where on your computer you want to store this PDF file. Navigate through your folders and select the destination where you'd like to save it. This could be your desktop, documents folder, or any other location that makes sense for your organizational system. Once you've chosen the right spot, click Save again to finalize the process. Your Google form is now saved as a PDF file in the location you specified. And that's it. You've successfully converted your Google form into a PDF file that you can now share, print, or archive as needed. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.